Has this ever happened to you when you wake up after a full night of sleep and your eyes feel tired, heavy, or blurry, even though you did not strain them or spend extra time on screens? Many seniors assume it is just age catching up or normal fatigue, but the real truth is still coming. What most people do not realize is that your body continues important work while you sleep. Your eyes are no exception. They use nutrients from the foods you eat to maintain the structures that help you see clearly and comfortably. The right foods in the evening can provide gentle support for this process and help your eyes function better over time. Tonight, I will reveal 5 simple, natural foods that are easy to include before bed. These foods contain vitamins, antioxidants, and healthy fats that your body can use quietly as you rest. Some of these are already in your kitchen, but most people do not know how to use them to support their eyes. Even though no single food can repair vision instantly, consistent choices can contribute to healthy eyes in the long term. Small changes in your evening routine can make a noticeable difference over weeks and months. This video will show you how to do that safely and effectively. The first food on the list is surprising, and you probably have it in your home already. The second one may change how you think about snacks before bed. Each food on this list is chosen for how easy it is to include and how naturally it supports overall eye function. Stay with me until the end to discover all 5 foods and simple tips for including them tonight. These are practical, everyday items that can quietly help your eyes while you sleep. If you want more clear and simple tips for your health and well-being, press the like button and subscribe now. Coming down to the first food, avocado. Avocados are rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, natural compounds found in the eyes that help maintain normal function over time. These nutrients are absorbed more effectively when paired with healthy fats, which avocados naturally provide. Including a small portion of avocado in your evening meal, or as a light snack before bed, can be a simple way to support overall eye health. You can mash it on whole grain toast, add slices to a salad, or blend it into a smoothie. Avocados digest slowly, making them gentle on your stomach at night. Regularly including avocado in your diet helps ensure your body receives steady amounts of these important nutrients. This simple habit can complement other healthy foods without extra effort. Moving along to the second food, carrots. Carrots contain beta-carotene, which the body can convert into vitamin A, a nutrient associated with maintaining the cells that help process light. Eating carrots in the evening as part of your meal or as a snack is an easy way to include this nutrient. They are versatile and can be steamed, roasted, or eaten raw. Light cooking can make them softer and easier to digest. Over time, including carrots in a balanced diet helps ensure you get a regular source of beta-carotene. They pair well with a healthy fat such as a small amount of olive oil to support absorption. Simple additions like carrot sticks or a small salad with shredded carrots are practical and easy to remember. Stepping into the third food, salmon or sardines. Fatty fish like salmon and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which support the membranes and tissues in the body, including those around the eyes. Regular intake of omega-3s contributes to overall cell health and is considered part of a balanced diet. Eating a small portion of salmon or sardines for dinner or as a light evening snack helps maintain a steady supply of these nutrients. For those who prefer plant-based sources, chia seeds, flaxseed, or walnuts provide similar healthy fats. Including these foods consistently as part of your evening routine can be simple and sustainable. Preparing them with minimal seasoning and pairing them with vegetables makes them both healthy and satisfying. Sliding into the fourth food, dark leafy greens. Dark leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and collard greens are full of lutein and zeaxanthin, the same compounds found in avocados. These nutrients are linked to supporting healthy eye structures over time. Lightly steaming or sautéing these greens with a small amount of oil enhances nutrient absorption. They can also be blended into a mild smoothie for an easy evening option. Including a portion of dark leafy greens in your evening meal ensures your body receives these beneficial plant pigments. They are simple to prepare and can be paired with a variety of other foods for a balanced diet. Approaching the fifth food, almonds. Almonds provide vitamin E, a natural antioxidant that contributes to normal cell maintenance. Including a handful of almonds in your evening routine or as a light snack before bed is an easy way to get this nutrient. Almonds also provide healthy fats and protein, making them gentle on the stomach at night. They can be eaten raw, lightly roasted, or added to yogurt or salads. Regular inclusion helps ensure your body receives steady amounts of vitamin E. This simple habit complements other foods in your evening routine and requires no complicated preparation. These 5 foods show that simple, natural choices can provide gentle support for eye function. While no single food can repair vision instantly, consistent intake of nutrient-rich options contributes to maintaining normal eye structures and overall health. Incorporating these items into your evening routine is practical and easy to do. Small changes over time can help your body access these nutrients efficiently. In the final moments, we will summarize the key takeaways so you can remember them and include them in your nightly meals with confidence. Now that we have explored all 5 nutrient-rich foods, you can see that simple choices in your evening routine can provide gentle support for your eyes. Including these foods consistently helps your body access important vitamins and antioxidants while you rest. Remember that no single food can instantly repair vision, but small healthy habits over time can contribute to maintaining normal eye function and overall wellness. Take a moment to think about your own kitchen and evening routine. You may already have some of these foods on hand, and adding them to your dinner or as a small bedtime snack is easy and practical. Simple changes like this can help your body make the most of the nutrients in your meals. Before we finish, here is a quick reminder. The information shared in this video is for general nutritional guidance only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult a qualified healthcare provider if you have concerns about your eyes, vision, or dietary changes. Individual needs may vary, and professional guidance is important for personalized care. If you found this video helpful, press the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical tips you can use every day. Share this video with someone who might benefit from these ideas. Thank you for watching and taking steps towards supporting your eyes in a natural and safe way. Keep these tips in mind for your next evening meal, and stay tuned for more guidance in the next video.